Indicator 21 focuses on engaged family leadership. A family business may have capable managers, strong products, and valuable assets, but long-term continuity still depends on the quality of family leadership. Engagement means more than holding a title or attending an occasional meeting. It means being present, informed, responsible, and willing to provide direction when the business needs it. Healthy family leadership combines 5 qualities: active involvement, committed leadership, leading by example, continuity and stability, and visionary guidance. These qualities help the family remain connected with the enterprise without confusing ownership with day-to-day management. The objective is not to interfere in every operational detail. The objective is to exercise responsible stewardship. As you review the following slides, consider whether your family leaders are genuinely engaged in governance, strategy, succession, performance, and preserving family values. Strong family leadership creates confidence. It also helps future generations understand that ownership brings responsibility, not merely privilege. The central message is simple: engaged leaders strengthen both the business and the family. Their involvement today creates the foundation for continuity, trust, and a stronger legacy tomorrow. The first dimension is active involvement. Family leaders should remain meaningfully connected to the enterprise's important affairs. They need to understand major decisions, performance trends, strategic priorities, significant risks, and important family business issues. Active involvement does not mean micromanagement. A family leader should not bypass professional managers or become involved in every operational matter. Instead, involvement should occur through appropriate governance structures, such as the board, family council, ownership meetings, strategy reviews, and defined leadership responsibilities. Being present is important because disengaged owners can gradually lose understanding of the business. When that happens, decisions become reactive and communication gaps widen. Active leaders ask useful questions, review reliable information, contribute their experience, and remain available when important decisions require ownership perspective. The practical test is whether family leaders can explain where the business is going, what its major opportunities and risks are, and what decisions require family attention. Involvement should add value, strengthen accountability, and support professional management rather than weaken it. Committed leadership means accepting responsibility for the long-term health of both the family and the enterprise. Leadership becomes most visible when conditions are difficult. It is easy to support the business when results are strong. Commitment is tested when difficult decisions, uncertainty, conflict, or transition arise. Committed family leaders do not avoid responsibility. They make decisions within their authority, remain dedicated to agreed priorities, and focus on sustainable outcomes rather than short-term convenience. They also understand that ownership carries obligations toward employees, customers, partners, lenders, and future generations. Commitment requires discipline. Leaders should prepare for meetings, follow through on decisions, respect governance processes, and remain accountable for their own conduct. When leaders repeatedly postpone difficult matters, others lose confidence. When leaders act responsibly and consistently, they create stability. Family businesses should therefore define leadership expectations clearly. What decisions belong to the board? What belongs to management? What belongs to the family council or owners? Clarity helps committed leaders act decisively without creating confusion. Strong commitment turns family leadership from a symbolic role into responsible stewardship. Leading by example is one of the most powerful forms of leadership in a family business. Employees and younger family members observe what senior family leaders actually do. Their behavior often influences organizational culture more strongly than written policies or speeches. If leaders expect integrity, they must demonstrate integrity. If they expect punctuality, accountability, respect, financial discipline, and professional conduct, they must practice those standards themselves. A gap between stated values and leadership behavior quickly damages credibility. Family leaders are especially visible because their actions are interpreted as signals about what the owning family truly values. Preferential treatment, avoidance of accountability, or disrespect for professional management can weaken the culture. Conversely, humility, fairness, discipline, and ethical conduct build trust. Leading by example also prepares the next generation. Younger family members learn leadership not only through formal education but by watching how senior leaders make decisions, handle disagreements, treat people, and respond to setbacks. The strongest leadership message is therefore lived rather than announced. Values, integrity, work ethic, and accountability must be visible in everyday conduct. Continuity and stability are essential responsibilities of engaged family leadership. Family businesses must think beyond the current leader and the current generation. Leadership transition, ownership transition, and the development of future leaders should be treated as ongoing processes rather than emergency events. Engaged leaders plan transitions early. They identify potential successors, define development needs, create opportunities for learning, and clarify how leadership decisions will be made. They also build unity among family members so that succession does not become a source of unnecessary conflict. Stability does not mean resisting change. It means ensuring that change is managed thoughtfully. The family should preserve its core values and purpose while allowing leadership structures, strategies, and management practices to evolve. A strong transition process also supports employees, customers, lenders, and business partners because it reduces uncertainty. People want to know that the enterprise can continue beyond one individual. When family leaders actively prepare continuity, they protect confidence and institutional knowledge. The goal is a business that can move from one generation to the next without losing direction, trust, or momentum. Visionary guidance is the fifth dimension of engaged family leadership. Family leaders should help the enterprise look beyond immediate pressures and consider where it needs to be in 5, 10, or even 20 years. A clear long-term vision provides direction for strategy, investment, succession, innovation, and family development. It also helps different generations understand what they are working toward together. Without a shared vision, family members may pursue different definitions of success, creating confusion and fragmented decision-making. Visionary leadership does not mean predicting the future perfectly. It means scanning the environment, asking strategic questions, considering emerging risks and opportunities, and keeping the business aligned with family values while remaining open to change. Leaders should encourage innovation without abandoning prudent judgment. They should think about technology, new markets, talent, governance, sustainability, and the capabilities the next generation will need. A strong vision links today's decisions with tomorrow's legacy. The family business should not simply survive the next quarter, it should remain relevant and valuable for generations to come. Why does engaged family leadership matter? Because ownership without engagement can become passive, fragmented, and disconnected from responsibility. A healthy family business needs owners and family leaders who understand the enterprise and participate through the right governance channels. Engaged leadership improves decision quality because leaders have better information and a clearer understanding of consequences. It strengthens confidence because employees and family members see that the owners are attentive and responsible. It also connects ownership with accountability. Family members understand that benefits from ownership are accompanied by duties. Engagement is particularly important for succession. Future leaders need exposure, mentoring, and opportunities to participate before they are expected to carry major responsibility. The same principle applies to family unity. Regular and constructive engagement helps prevent misunderstandings from accumulating. Most importantly, engaged leadership helps preserve values while allowing the business to adapt. The family can protect what is essential, its purpose, ethics, reputation, and relationships, while still encouraging professional management and innovation. The result is stronger stewardship and a more resilient family enterprise. This checklist converts the indicator into practical questions. First, ask whether family leaders attend the governance meetings where their presence is genuinely required. Attendance alone is not enough. They should prepare, participate, and follow through. Second, confirm that roles and authority are clearly defined. Family leadership becomes ineffective when everyone assumes someone else is responsible, or when several people interfere in the same decision. Third, ensure that leaders regularly review performance, strategy, and major risks using reliable information. Fourth, examine how difficult decisions are handled. Healthy leadership addresses problems early rather than allowing them to grow. Fifth, assess whether the next generation is being prepared through education, mentoring, external experience, and progressively greater responsibility. Sixth, observe whether senior leaders model the behavior expected from others. Finally, ask whether the family shares a long-term vision for the enterprise and its legacy. The checklist is not intended merely to produce a score. It should start a constructive family discussion. Identify the strongest areas, select the most important gaps, assign responsibility, and agree on practical actions with target dates. Engagement improves when expectations become clear and measurable. Engaged family leadership is ultimately about stewardship. Strong leaders remain present, accept responsibility, demonstrate the values they expect from others, prepare continuity, and keep the long-term vision alive. For a family business, this combination is powerful. It strengthens governance today while preparing the enterprise for tomorrow. It helps professional managers understand the owner's direction. It gives younger family members a model of responsible ownership. It reassures employees and stakeholders that the family is committed to the business beyond short-term results. The most important question is not simply, who is the leader? The better question is, how is leadership being exercised? Titles do not create continuity. Responsible behavior, clear governance, thoughtful succession, and long-term direction do. As you complete Indicator 21, identify one leadership practice your family can strengthen immediately. It may be more disciplined governance meetings, clearer roles, better succession preparation, stronger accountability, or a renewed shared vision. Small improvements in leadership discipline can create lasting improvements in the health of the family business. Strong leadership today helps create a stronger legacy tomorrow.